getting ready to go on the air. Let's send KB a message. How can we do it? We all sat around and thought. And I remembered I had an old suitcase that I wasn't using anymore at home. So I brought the suitcase in, and we put a sign on the suitcase, and we had it wrapped up. And I think we had UPS pick it up and deliver it to the good guys at WKBW. Please open as soon as this arrives. And I was told by one of the record people that it arrived in the lobby of KB, and some of the jocks were there. And they all said, well, I wonder what it is. And they opened it up. And the sign on the suitcase said, "Start packing the Super Q." And I understand that was the day that Sandy Beach hated me. Because I always heard that he hated me because of that. But it was fun. Radio has to be fun. And it was back in the 70s.